In this tutorial, I'll show you how to publish your files to the Figma community so others can discover, duplicate, and use your work. Start by opening the Figma file you want to publish. Make sure you have editing access to the file, as publishing requires permission to edit. Once the file is open, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing window, select Publish to Community. Click Publish to begin the setup process. Enter a clear title and write a description explaining what the file is, how it can be used, and who it's for. Choose the most relevant category for your file and add a few helpful tags so users can find it more easily. Next, upload a thumbnail image that represents your design. A strong thumbnail helps your file stand out in search results. You can also add preview images to showcase different screens, components, or features included in the file. Review all the details, then click Publish to make your file live in the Figma community. Once published, other designers can view, duplicate, and interact with your work directly from the community page. And that's it. You've successfully published a file to the Figma community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.